Hello, in this video I will show you how to add Afterpay to Shopify product page. Now it's a very easy process. So open your browser and log into your Shopify dashboard, and after that go to the settings panel, then go to the payment section. Over here just simply click on add payment method. Now over here just simply search for Afterpay, then just simply click on the checkbox right over here, and then just simply choose any one of the options given to you right over here. Once you have done that, just click on the install option right over here, and that will install the payment provider that will also support Afterpay. So click on install. Then all you have to do is just simply enter your merchant ID, API login, API password, and etc. And in the end, click on submit. Now once you have done this part, just simply search for Afterpay site messaging. Then just simply open the first link. And right over here, you will be given a code. So just simply copy the entire code like this. And after that, go back to Shopify. Then just simply go inside your online store. Click on the three dots right over here. Go to edit code. Now just simply click on theme.liquid. Now just simply go to the end of the page. So scroll down to the very bottom. Then just simply hit enter. And now just simply paste that code. After that, just simply click on save. And you are all good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.